How to make a fixed CTA button in Squarespace. Squarespace has made sticky elements a native feature of the Fluid engine. You no longer need to be a coding wizard to keep your Book Now or Contact Us button in front of your customers as they scroll. Whether you want a button that sticks to a section or a floating bubble that stays side wide, here's how you do it. So if your customer has to scroll back to the top to find your buy button, you're losing money. And today I'm showing you the 3 ways to lock your button in place. So first, the easiest way is using the Fluid engine. So just go to your site that you wish to edit. I will go to this one, for example, and then click on the edit button right here, edit site. And then on your page, you can drag a button block into any section. Once again, hit edit and then go add block and then choose a button. After that, click the button right here, and in the toolbar, look for the pin icon. It looks like a little push pin right here. And toggle it on. You can now choose to pin it at the top, center, or bottom of that specific section. And also, you can use the offset slider to give it some breathing room from the edge of the screen. This is perfect for long sales pages where you wanted the join button to follow the reader through the entire page. Okay, and now want the button visible on every page, you can use the header. So click Edit Side Header and go to Add Elements. So there you go, Edit Side Header, and then Add Elements. Right, and toggle the button switch to on, like that. And now go to Edit Design, right here. Then you go Position, and now you need to set the header to fixed. Okay, so you scroll down, and as you can see, we have fixed position. There you go. And choose the sticky style, so the header and your button stays at the top as the user scrolls. This is the cleanest, no-code way to ensure your primary goal is always one tap away. Okay, and after that, you just save that, and let's get to a next one. So for a modern WhatsApp style floating button, you need to go to the developer tools. Okay, you go to settings, developer tools, and code injection. And in the footer section, paste the floating button snippet. I have it below. This creates a fixed circle at the bottom right of the screen that stays there regardless of what page the user is on. It's the ultimate high conversion tool for mobile users who shop with their thumbs. And this is pretty much a way to turn your site into a conversion machine. So if this Squarespace tutorial helped you today, hit subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.